yourself. Watch yourself. That's gonna be finished product. I needed a new one of these is what I needed too. Wow. What? Oh, I had it going backwards. Going the wrong way.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Holy shnikes. Hit a knot.
Yep. Yes, sir, right there.
Oh, that's crazy.
Gracious.
Do one underneath it. Yeah, how's that gonna work?
Huh?
How's that gonna work? You're just not putting one there?
I mean, it's just a single header on the outside. The barrier's heavy.
Yep. Come up. Whoa. Down just a little bit. Right there. May need to turn that pressure up a little bit. Hold on, let me turn this pressure. Come up just a little bit, Jacob. Whoa. Down just a pinch. 1 pinch more. Hardly nothing. Don't even move it. Yeah, right there. Good on the mark?
Yep.
You want me to do that side?
I mean, it's the same either way.
This one's a lot lighter. If that makes any difference. Here, do what you need to do. I got the header.
Got it?
Yeah.
Turn this one. Okay, put one down. That's on the mark?
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you do that with a gun? You're a weirdo.
What?
Why do you do that with a gun?
So I don't miss?
Oh, you put it there like that?
Yeah. Make sure I know where it's at.
Gotcha. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Shit. Sorry, man.
Ow.
It jumped. It jumped like a mug.
I was gonna say something too. It's like, don't do me like Bubba. Ah, remember we were doing that one over the hot tub? You got him in the ankle?
Ah. Bubba scuffed you up, huh?
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, if you got 12, they're good. Oh, shoot. Yep, 210-6 until you run out. Nothing. Nothing. Get her done.
I'm not vertically challenged to be. Luckily, I got
Clean up. Here. Awesome. Well, headers. Wish I could see the marks, Jackie.
they really that light?
They're really fucking light, yes.
finished product. Looks pretty sweet if you ask me. Got a little 2-tier action going on. One of those headers higher than the other one. Not too many 2x, but nice and clean. Nice clean design.